Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the problems related to differentiation. The differentiation which is given in JEE 2020 January. So is the question: if y of alpha equal to square root of 2 into tan alpha plus cot alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha, where alpha belongs to 3 pi by 4 comma pi by 4, pi, then dy by d alpha when alpha equal to 5 pi by 6. They are asking first y of alpha value you have to simplify. It is in complex form, you have to write in the simplest form by using trigonometry formulas. So first given y of alpha equal to square root of, directly I am writing here, 2 into tan alpha, cot alpha can be written as 1 by tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha, which is equal to square root of, here take LCM for the numerator, tan alpha into tan alpha tan square alpha plus 1 divided by tan alpha. So it will becomes 2 into 1 plus tan square alpha divided by tan alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. 1 plus tan square alpha, 1 plus tan square alpha get cancelled, which is equal to square root of 2 by tan alpha. Tan alpha means sin alpha by cos alpha. Cos alpha denominator of denominator it will become numerator. So 2 cos alpha divided by sin alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. If you simplify, square root of sin square alpha is the LCM. So numerator value will become 2 sin alpha into cos alpha plus 1. After that what we have to do? 1 can be written as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is equal to square root of 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. 1 can be written as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha. The numerator value will becomes sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square. So y of alpha equal to square root of sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square divided by sin square alpha, which is equal to square root of sin alpha plus cos alpha by sin alpha whole square. Root square cancel, plus or minus will come. Sin alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin alpha. Here one doubt is there. We have to consider plus or minus. According to the value of alpha, alpha belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi. In this interval, sin alpha plus cos alpha value is negative. So we can consider y of alpha equal to minus sin alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin alpha. If you simplify this, minus sin alpha by sin alpha is 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha is cot alpha. So y of alpha equal to minus 1 minus cot alpha. Now they are asking dy by d alpha. Differentiate with respect to alpha. So dy by d alpha equal to constant derivative 0. Cot alpha derivative is minus cosecant square alpha. Already minus is there, it will become plus cosecant square alpha. Dy by d alpha at what value they are asking? 5 by 6. So dy by d alpha when alpha equal to 5 pi by 6. So wherever alpha is there, you have to replace with 5 pi by 6. Cosecant square 5 pi by 6, which is equal to cosecant square of
5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6, which is equal to cosecant of pi minus pi by 6 is cosecant pi by 6. Cosecant square pi by 6. Cosecant pi by 6, that means sin pi by 6, 1 by sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, denominator of denominator will become numerator. So 1 by 2 whole square. Otherwise, we can write directly 2 square, which is equal to 4. Therefore, dy by d alpha, when alpha is equal to 5 pi by 4, is equal to 4, which is there in the first option. Thank you students for watching my video. Is there any doubts regarding this or any doubts in my videos? Please write to my inbox. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much.